Hi, I'm Jim with Aquatic Garden Decor, and this time with water features, we're going to be talking about a bubbling water feature. Also might be considered what's called a hidden pond. All of these are where the water disappears into gravel and you don't see the body of water itself. This time we're going to talk about one with a piece of pottery. A really cool thing about a pottery bubbler is you get the vivid color 24/7, 365 days a year. The water bubbles out of the top, overflows, disappears into the basin. A really cool water feature, again, in any outdoor room in your garden. The next water feature that we're going to be talking about is the natural stone hidden pond water feature. As opposed to the pottery that might sit on top of the gravel where the water disappears, now we're talking about a variety of different types of rocks where the water will bubble up top, run down the side, and disappear into gravel. We also call them unplug and done, meaning that in the winter, the only thing that you have to do with this type of water feature is unplug it and you are done. This type of water feature we're going to talk about is the Pondless Waterfall. If people don't want to get into the water gardening aspect with plants and fish, all they want is the majestic sound of a waterfall, this is the perfect thing for you. Pondless waterfalls, you have the waterfall going, disappearing into gravel, and that is it. Again, simply turn it off in the winter and you're done. With pondless waterfalls, you don't have to worry about the water plants, the fish. It's strictly a waterfall disappearing into gravel. Perfect idea if that's all you want. We are about ready to show everybody how to fix probably the most common problem with any water feature. All the time we get calls saying that my water feature has stopped coming out or isn't pumping nearly as high. What should I do? Easy response. At this point in time, literally, all you are going to do is grab your garden hose, turn it on, and watch the magic happen.